Solution. A mixture of two or more substances can be a solution, a suspension, or a colloid. The substance is said to be in a state of molecular dispersion when the particles of a pure substance are of molecular atomic or ionic size. A solution is a homogeneous molecular dispersion of two or more substances. It can also be stated that a solution is a homogeneous mixture of two or more substances. Homogeneous means uniform throughout. Thus, a solution which is a homogeneous mixture will have a uniform composition throughout. Sugar solution is a clear liquid, and we cannot distinguish the sugar particles from the water molecules even with the microscope. Some of the examples of solutions are salt solution, sugar solution, copper sulfate solution, and solution of acetic acid in water, which is vinegar. The liquid in which the substance is dissolved is called a solvent. The substance which dissolves in a solvent to produce a solution is called solute. In sugar solution, sugar is a solute, whereas water in which it is dissolved is called solvent. Generally, in any solution, the amount of solute present is lower than that of a solvent.